So hello everyone. In today's segment of Nutrition and Foods for Your Body, we will be discussing chia seeds. This seed has definitely gained some popularity over the past couple of years. And after this short webinar, I'm hopeful you'll learn a bit more about chia seeds and have a fun recipe idea to try. So here's the outline for today's webinar. I'll be answering the following questions. What are chia seeds? How are they grown? Are they sustainable? And what is the nutritional and health value? Then I will be showing you how to prepare a delicious raspberry chia jam and give you some more fun recipe ideas. So what are chia seeds? Well, chia is a small seed that comes from the plant Salvia hispanica L. This plant belongs to the mint family. Although its popularity has been quite new, it's actually been consumed for over 5,500 years, tracing all the way back to 3500 BC. There is evidence that the chia seeds were a very important part of the Aztec and Mayan diet. It was not only used for eating, but for medicinal and religious reasons as well. There are two main types of chia seeds, and that is black and white chia seeds. Now, black chia seeds come from the purple flowered plant, where white chia seeds come from the white flowered plant. Both white and black chia seeds have very similar cooking function and nutritional value. Some nutrient analysis suggests that black chia seeds have slightly more protein, where the white chia seeds have slightly more omega-3 fatty acid content. But overall, this difference is so slight that it doesn't make much of a difference in their functionality in foods or influence your diet and health. So whatever kind of chia seeds you have on hand or at your local grocery store, they will do the trick. Where do chia seeds grow? Well, the plant originated in southern Mexico and northern Guatemala. Now chia is grown all around the world. It grows in Mexico, Guatemala, Australia, Bolivia, Colombia, Peru, Argentina, America, and Europe. The thing is, they need a warm climate and require adequate sunlight to grow. And for this reason, we're unable to grow chia seeds here in Canada. But to this day, Mexico is the largest producer of chia seeds. So are chia seeds sustainable? Well, the plant can actually produce 500 to 600 kilograms of seed per acre. There have been reportings that some plants can produce up to 2,800 kilograms of seed per acre. In terms of their impact on the environment, chia seeds are promoted to be a sustainable seed. They grow well in low-quality soils and require very little irrigation. Overall, it's found that chia production creates no significant damage to air, water, land, or forest. However, considering it's only produced in warmer climates, we do need to consider the carbon footprint associated with its transportation to grocers here in Canada. So what is the nutritional value of chia seeds? Well, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds consist of 136 calories, 9 grams of fat being an excellent source of healthy fats, specifically omega-3 fatty acids. It also has 10 grams of fiber and 5 grams of protein. This is an impressive nutrient quantity considering the small amount of chia seeds you need to eat. More so, it's a great source of iron, calcium, and antioxidants. All of these nutrients being an important part to a healthy diet. So what impacts can this nutrient quality have on health? Well, the fiber associated with chia seeds are beneficial for digestion, managing blood sugar levels, and for satiety control, meaning they can keep you full longer. The omega-3 fatty acid content is very important for heart health. So this has been found to lower cholesterol levels, regulate your heart rate and blood pressure, and prevent blood clots. The protein content can help maintain and grow muscle mass, and it's also beneficial for satiety control as well. Finally, the calcium in chia seeds is important for keeping bones strong and healthy. So what does this mean for the risk and prevention of chronic disease? Overall, a regular consumption of chia seeds in conjunction with a balanced diet could promote weight loss, prevent heart disease, reduce risk of osteoporosis, and prevent and manage type 2 diabetes. I do want to stress that there is no miracle food. And in order to truly prevent chronic disease, a healthy diet and exercise is very important. However, chia seeds can be a valuable part to your healthy, balanced diet. So not only are chia seeds jam-packed with nutrients, but they also play a unique role in their food. So first off, they are a nutritional enhancer. So by baking chia seeds into bread or blending them into smoothies, you're increasing the nutrition quality of that meal. They also have very little taste, so they'll just take up the flavor of whatever food you're adding them to. They do, however, have a unique influence on texture. So because of the high fiber content of chia seeds, they're able to absorb fluid and create a thick and creamy texture. They can actually absorb up to 10 times their weight in liquid. As you can see in our chia seed pudding picture here, by adding chia with a fluid such as milk, they're absorbing the liquid and expanding to make that great pudding consistency. So the recipe I will be showing you today is a raspberry chia jam. And this recipe is as simple as it gets and only needs 4 ingredients. So raspberries, lemon juice, the chia seeds, and maple syrup. And maple syrup is used as a sweetener, so that could be subbed out for brown sugar or honey as well. And in just 10 minutes, you'll have made a delicious chia jam that can be stored in your fridge up to 1 week or in your freezer for up to 3 months. Okay, let's get started. So this is our raspberry chia jam recipe. So the first thing you're going to do is to bring a small pot over medium to high heat and add your raspberries. So I used frozen raspberries, but you could just as easily use fresh raspberries or even a different kind of berry like blackberries, blueberries. It's really your choice. So what we're going to do is just let these raspberries heat up and they'll start to melt and become a more desired consistency for the jam. So this will take about 5 minutes for the raspberries to really start bubbling and get that desired consistency. And you'll just have to stir periodically. You don't need to stir constantly, but every now and then just to make sure that all the raspberries are cooking evenly and at the same time. Okay, so as you can see here, we already have a lot of bubbles going on. Raspberries are really starting to be ready to add the chia seeds. Okay, so we're just going to give it one final stir, sure that everything is cooked evenly. And now you can just use a potato masher or a fork to mash up the raspberries and get them all smooth. Great. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Perfect, and you'll be able to mix those in. So the chia seeds here are acting as a nutritional enhancer, increasing the omega-3 fatty acid, protein, fiber of the jam, and it's also contributing to that jam texture. So it's going to absorb some of that liquid and help make a smooth and thick texture for the jam. Now we're going to add the 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. You can kind of get creative with this. You could use honey if you'd like. You could use no sweetener, depending on your taste preferences. At this point, you can turn off the heat and let it rest for 5 minutes. Great, so that's it. Now you have a delicious raspberry chia jam that's ready to eat. So I love this chia jam spread over toast. You can also mix it into your yogurt or your oatmeal, however you'd like. So this is our raspberry chia jam. Okay, so the really great thing about this recipe is you can really make it your own, and there's so many different variations that you can do. So you can use any kind of berry or juicy fruit like peaches, cherries, or apricots. You can also add any flavorings you might like. So some suggestions that I have is vanilla extract, lemon zest, honey, or maybe even some spices like ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So it's really your chance to get creative and follow your taste preferences. There are also so many different kinds of recipes that you can use to incorporate your chia seeds into your diet. So you can mix it into your oatmeal or yogurt. You can sprinkle it on top of toast or salad. You can make the chia seed pudding that I showed earlier in the presentation. You can also add it to smoothies or juices. Another favorite of mine is to bake it into breads, muffins, or loaves. You can also include it in your salad dressing. So like I said earlier, chia seeds do not have any flavor on their own. So you can really mix it into anything you'd like, and it won't affect any of the taste. So here are a few more fun facts about chia seeds. So did you know that the chia plant can grow up to 1 meter tall? The seed itself also lasts 4 to 5 years, not refrigerated, but stored in a cool, dry place like your kitchen cupboard. Also, the concentration of calcium in chia seeds is greater than that found in milk. The concentration of iron found in chia seeds is also greater than that found in some meat sources like liver. This shows what a great vegan source of iron and calcium chia seeds really are. So thank you for listening to my presentation today. I hope you learned a little bit more about chia seeds and are willing to give that raspberry chia jam a try. Thank you.